revise the class, ma'am.
Okay, yesterday's.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, yesterday's we have done the deleted portion, which was, see, only these three things you need to learn. That sine 90 minus theta will be equal to cos theta. And then cos 90 minus theta will be equal to sine theta. Sumukh, what are other two, beta? Sumukh, tan 90 minus theta is equal to, tell me. Cot theta, right?
Yes, ma'am. Cot theta.
And cot 90 minus theta?
Tan theta.
Yes.
What about second cos?
Yes, I am going to do. Dhriti, sec 90 minus theta is equal to?
Sec theta.
Cosecant theta, beta. I guess you are thinking about the cosecant theta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. Don't worry. And now, Dhriti, cosecant theta 90 minus theta will be equal to?
Sec 90 minus theta is equals to cosecant theta.
Okay, good. So, children, now see, Abhinav, yesterday we studied only this, okay?
What about the identities, ma'am?
Yes, identity is now I am going to start. First identity is sine
Ma'am, and
square
also,
theta.
ma'am,
Yes,
also can you share the yesterday's question paper, ma'am? I'll attempt it.
yes, I will share. Now, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. First identity it is. Okay, now you can also prove this identity. How? See, take right angle triangle. Draw right angle triangle.
Yeah, this sine square theta, ma'am. We can.
Yes, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
Okay.
So now let this be theta. Let this is A, B, C. Okay. Now children, apply Pythagoras theorem.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is this also a deleted question?
No, no, no. This is your exercise 8.3 in your NCERT textbook.
Okay.
And from this exercise, subjective question will come 100%. Subjective question and case study question also. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So now apply Pythagoras theorem. What is your Pythagoras theorem, beta? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, right? Children, am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now what you will do, now see right hand side we need 1. So what you will do, you will divide this equation 1 by AC square. Divided AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square is equal to AC square upon AC square. Understood this thing? Now this will cancel. Now we can write AB upon AC as whole square. And this also BC upon AC whole square is equal to 1. Understood this thing, children? Tell me, Siddhishri, Aryan, Abhinav, Moksha,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Riti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Siddharth, Sumukh,
Yes, ma'am.
Meher, Sudhamshu.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, children, now we know that about the identities that Pakistan bhuka pyasa and Hindustan hara bhara, right, beta? So this is your perpendicular, this is your base, and this is your hypotenuse, right? So here AB is your perpendicular and AC is your hypotenuse. So P by H. So it means it stands for sine theta. Can I write like this? Speak. Now ratio of BC upon AC. BC is base and H is your hypotenuse. So again second ratio. Second ratio stands for cos theta. So you can write cos square theta is equal to 1. Hence proof. You have got this identity. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is not in your syllabus. This proof is not in your syllabus. Only identity. But I have explained this for your knowledge only. How this identity came. Okay? Understood, children? Now see. From this one identity, you can find the value of sine square theta and then cos square theta. See, sine square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta, right? And cos square theta will be equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So by this identity, you have got 3 identities, right, beta? Children, please tell me, have you
Yes, ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, Abhinav,
Yes,
Siddharth,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shadriti, Meher, Shan, Siddhishri, Sumuk. Please note this. And Shan, beta, why you are absent? Am I audible, Shan?
Ma'am, I was out. Ma'am, I was out of station.
Okay. Okay, Shan, please note this.
Done, ma'am. Completed.
Written class?
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
Children, may I proceed to next identity, beta?
Ma'am,
Yes,
1 minute.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
minute, ma'am. I'm writing.
Now next is
1 minute, ma'am.
Aryan written, beta?
No, ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Completed.
Okay. Now second identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Right? So see, you can write the Pythagoras theorem from above triangle only. So it was AB square plus BC plus AC square, right? So you will write so AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Right, beta? So children, here you need 1. Here you need 1. So what you will do, you will divide this equation. Let this be 1. So equation 1 by AB square. Okay, now divide AB square upon AB square plus BC square upon AB square is equal to AC square upon AB. So AB cancel. So 1 plus. Now BC square upon AB square, you can write BC upon AB whole square. Right, children? Now this also AC upon AB whole square. Now we have Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole, right? So this was your triangle A, B, C. This is your theta, right? So BC is there. Yes, beta. So what we have? BC upon AB. So BC is your base and AB is your perpendicular, right? And AC is your hypotenuse and AB is your perpendicular. So what you can write here?
Ma'am, P by B,
Wait.
tan.
Actually, we have to divide here BC and I have divided by AB. So here we will write 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. This is your identity. Okay. So BC is your base. This is your perpendicular. This is your hypotenuse. So BC is your base. So base upon this perpendicular, it will be cot theta. So you will write cot square theta. Then AC is your hypotenuse and this AB is your perpendicular. So H upon P, it will be cosecant square. So this is the identity. Now from this identity also you can find two values. First is you can find cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta or cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this is your second identity. Okay, beta? Understood? Now for evaluating third identity, what we will do? We will divide the Pythagoras theorem by BC square. Got it, beta? Yes, Aryan, Abhinav,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth, Dhriti, Meher, Shan, Siddhishri, Sudhanshu, Sumuk.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please note this. Then we will derive third identity.
How is 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta?
See, this I have proved here only by Pythagoras theorem. See, beta, Pythagoras theorem was na AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Right, beta? So once we have divided this Pythagoras theorem by AC square, then I have divided by AB square. Now I will divide by BC square. Okay, beta? Proof will not come in your exam, just for your knowledge, I have explained. These three identities you need to learn. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta.
Once can I scroll up?
Yeah. Now find beta.
Yes, ma'am. But sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right?
Ma'am, is
Yes.
it tan square theta or sec square theta, ma'am?
1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Now we will derive 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec. Now there will be relation between cot and cosecant CC. Okay. And relation
ma'am,
between tan and sec.
So ma'am, tan sin square theta will be
You're moving
Sine
to the
lesser
and
left
than
cos
side.
1,
will
like,
be. Yes.
yeah. It will be negative.
Yes, sine square theta will be 1 minus cos square theta. And cos square
So,
theta will be 1 minus sine square theta.
so the value will come in negatives, right?
No, no, no. Value will become positive only. You will see this. Because the value of sine theta and cos theta, if you have observed from your table of angle, that value of sine theta and cos theta floats between 0 and 1. Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
When angle lies
Yeah, ma'am, I
between
got
0
it,
and
ma'am.
90.
Got
Right?
it, ma'am.
Yeah. Understood? May I proceed to next identity, beta?
1
Yes,
minute,
ma'am.
ma'am. Writing.
Okay, okay.
Done, ma'am.
May I proceed to next question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Not question, identity. Okay. So next is again we have our Pythagoras theorem AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, right, beta? So we have left only dividing with BC square, right? So you will write divide equation 1 by BC square. Now divide it AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC square is equal to AC square upon BC square. Okay. Now you can write AB upon BC whole square and BC upon BC cancel. It will be 1 beta. Right? And AC upon BC whole square. Again, just check your right angle triangle. ABC. This is your perpendicular, this is your base, and this is your hypotenuse. So AB is perpendicular and BC is base. So perpendicular upon base is, tell me, tan theta. Speak, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be tan square theta, right? Plus
Yes.
1. Now AC upon BC. It means reciprocal of this middle ratio. It will be secant theta. So you will write sec square. Okay. So now we have got this. You can write 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, or tan square theta secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, or you can write tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus. This is your last identity. Okay? Please note this, children. Written class, all have done?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now may I proceed to questions then?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, writing.
Okay.
Completed.
క్లాస్ అటెండ్ చేయట్లేదా నువ్వు క్లాస్ అటెండ్ చేస్తూ రాస్తున్నావా
May I proceed to next question?
కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేస్తాను
అంటే మళ్ళీ తర్వాత రాయనివ్వరన్నాను అంతే కదా
కాదు
మరి
హోంవర్క్ రాయని పని
నేను అన్నాను కదా ఇంటికి ఏ హోంవర్క్ రాయనివ్వనని
ఎప్పుడన్నా
క్లాస్ వింటూ
Children, may I proceed to next question, beta?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, see, before starting the question, see, for solving this exercise 8.3, in each and every question, your first step will be that you have to convert your ratios into simplest form. What is your simplest form? Sin theta and cos theta. You have to change your term, your trigonometry ratio like tan theta, sec theta, cosecant theta, cot theta in terms of sin and cos. First step is this. Second is cosecant theta is a reciprocal of 1 upon sin theta, right, beta?
yes ma'am
Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
tan theta you will write sin theta upon cos theta in terms of sin and cos, okay? And cot theta will be cos theta upon sin theta. So these things you keep in your mind, okay? So now see, suppose if you will be asked that express cos A, tan A and sec A. Express cos A, tan A and sec A in terms of sin A. So what we have to do? You have to express in terms of sin A. Okay. So, see, let us take first of all cos A. Okay. So we have to write in the form of sin. So how we can write? See, we have first identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
1 by
Right,
sine
beta? Yes. Now we will find the value of cos square theta. It will be 1 minus sin square theta, right?
yes ma'am
So here you will write 1 minus cos A is equal to, now cos theta will be is equal to under root 1 minus sin square theta. Right, beta? So cos A will be under root 1 minus sine square A. Understood? How you will write cos A in terms of sine A. Understood, beta? Children, please tell me all have understood. Aryan, Abhinav, Siddharth, Riti,
Yes,
Shyam,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri, Sudhanshu,
Yes,
Somok.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see second is tan A. Now what is your tan A? Recently just I have told you. Sin theta upon cos theta.
Theta.
Sin A. We have to write here A. So sin A upon cos A. So sin A you will write as it is. Now instead of cos A, what you will write? Under root 1 minus sin square A.
1 minus sin.
So sin A upon under root 1 minus sin square. This is the answer. Got it, beta? Now next is secant A. So secant A you can write reciprocal of cos A. Again, instead of cos A, what you will write? 1 upon under root 1 minus sin. Understood, beta? Please show me your thumbs up if you have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Once again, can you explain?
Yes, beta. See, first of all, you have to keep in your mind about the identities. Okay? So we have to express cos A in terms of sin A. So we have this first identity, right, beta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now we have to find the value of cos A. So cos square theta will be, you will transpose the sin theta to the right hand side. So it will be 1 minus sin square theta. So now value of cos theta will be under root. Okay, beta, 1 minus sin square theta. So instead of theta, you will write A because angle is given in terms of A. So under root 1 minus sin square A. This is the cos A in terms of sin A. Now tan A.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can we express this in another way?
In which another way, beta?
Ma'am, just a doubt.
Because we have to write in the simplest way. See, now tan A is there. So we can write tan A as 1 plus tan square theta is tan square A is equal to secant square A, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So from here we can find the value of tan. So tan square A will be equal to secant square A minus 1. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So value of tan A will be under root secant square A minus 1. And what about your secant square A? It is reciprocal of cosecant cos A, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So cos square A minus 1. Now you will write under root 1 minus cos square A upon cos square A, right, beta, after taking LCM?
Yes.
Got it this? Now
Yes,
1
ma'am.
minus cos square A. What is your cos square A? 1 minus sin
1
square A,
minus
right,
sin
beta?
square.
Upon cos square is 1 minus sin square A, right?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
open the bracket. Under root 1 minus 1 will be 0. So it will be sin square A upon 1 minus sin square A. This is the answer. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can open the square root also. Sin A will come outside the square root and under root 1 minus sin square A. Now see, I have already evaluated it. See,
Ma'am,
see here.
ma'am, you told 1 minus sin square, so can't we take root? Can't we take 1 minus sin square from the root?
No, no, no. See, because this is 1 minus sin square A. Right, beta? So you can write 1 square minus sin square A. So you can apply here identity. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into
A minus
A
B.
minus B. Right, beta? So this is not the whole square. Okay. If
Yes,
there
ma'am.
will be 1 minus sin A whole square, then you can write one factor of sin 1 minus sin A outside the square root. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So children, there are so many methods to solve any question, right? So in which you are comfortable, you can use that method.
Completed, ma'am.
Sumukh, Sudhamshu, Meher, Triti, Siddharth, Abhinav,
Completed,
Aryan.
ma'am.
Understood, beta? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sometime in a exam, it can be asked, like express, sin A, cos A, tan A, in terms of cot A. Recently, we have done with express in terms of sin A. So they can ask you also in terms of cot A. So you have to apply this procedure only, okay?
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes.
Yeah. It's fine, beta?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. Those who have written, they can leave, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye, beta. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Ma'am, have a good day.
Bye, beta. Same to you.
Ma'am, can you send the question
Yes,
paper?
Abhinav, I have seen your message. I will send you personally, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, beta.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes, beta, Dhriti. Dhriti, are you able to understand what we are doing?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Have you done the exercise which I have given you yesterday in the homework?
Ma'am, there are still two, three sums, ma'am. I'll complete it and I'll send you.
Okay.
Ma'am, scroll up, ma'am. Like the
Where?
question.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine?
Yeah, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, beta. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Bye.